Are you tired of feeling like a kitchen rookie when you know you've got a culinary rockstar inside you just waiting to burst out? We're unveiling 5 kitchen tools that will unleash your inner chef faster than you can say. Culinary revolution. Immersion Blender. Blend it like you mean it. Imagine creating silky smooth soups and sauces without the hassle of transferring hot liquids to a blender. Enter the Immersion Blender. This bad boy is about to revolutionize your kitchen game. It's like having a magic wand for your pot. No mess, no stress, just pure blending bliss. Mandoline Slicer. Slice and dice with precision. Say goodbye to uneven vegetable slices and hello to the Mandoline Slicer. Perfect for achieving that chef-worthy uniformity in your dishes. Your salads will look so Instagrammable. You might just become the Picasso of produce. Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Elevate your culinary prowess. Ever wondered how restaurants achieve that mouth-watering perfection in their meats? Enter the Sous Vide Precision Cooker. It's like having a secret weapon in your culinary arsenal, ensuring your steaks, chicken, and even desserts come out flawlessly every single time. Kitchen Scale, where accuracy meets art. Precision is the name of the game in cooking. The kitchen scale is here to ensure your measurements are as exact as a Swiss watch. No more eyeballing, just perfect proportions for your culinary masterpieces. Blowtorch, ignite the culinary drama. Let's turn up the heat, literally. The kitchen blowtorch is not just for crème brûlée. It's your ticket to achieving that professional touch on everything from desserts to savory dishes. Get ready to spark some culinary fireworks in your kitchen. Are you ready to get things cooking? Share your top pick in the comments below and let's transform our kitchens into delicious conversations.